Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box automatically expand in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make all text box automatically expand. Firstly, draw a text box. Click the draw text box option and draw a text box. Now we want to make this text box automatically expand. Go to the shape format menu, then change the height and width. Now I write height 10 and width 6, then press enter. Now we can see this text box automatically expand very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.